Hey Collective, welcome back to my channel. Immediately, I'm just shuffling cards. I want to pull a general. This message is probably for Divine Feminine. Could be for anyone. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. I saw grounding. The moon that we're in right now speaks about grounding and releasing. Okay. The name Veronica, Aaron, Ariel, Sam, Sammy, Desiree, or Desire, David, Troy, Tony, Ebony, or Erica could be significant. Empress, I seen Deja Vu and Truth and Drink. So something could be coming out with someone who will drink and spill tea, or at a gathering, you know, and yeah, congratulations, someone's pregnant, you or someone else. I wanted to go ahead and just see what's in the energy for the collective. Early bird gets the worm. How is everyone doing? I hope all is well. Happy Friday. Let's just see what you need to know in real time, current time. Oh, okay, anxiety. You are afraid to get close to someone. They are scared too. Give them a chance. All right. Some of you could be dealing with some anxiety right now. What else? Okay. Not being you. You're trying to project the perfect image, but it's not really you. Be yourself. Okay. And the moon that we're in currently, I don't remember. Give me 1 second. Wanting gibbous. And if you look at that moon, it's not a quarter moon, it's not a full moon, half a moon. Just like this mask is showing right here. I have to go and look again. Like, for me, that word is a tongue twister. Wanting gibbous. What else? So anxiety, I'm gonna take it. Okay. Fixing them. Here, the airplane. I haven't sat here in a while to do readings. 3:11 on the time, or 3:13. If you've been following me, you know that a lot of my bit of sandwich. Excuse me. A lot of my early readings was done right here. But yeah, and airplanes will always fly by. 7:37. I wanted to mention that. 7:27. Been seeing a lot. Fixing time. You can't fix someone. They have to want to change, accept them, or let go. I feel like for some reason I heard family. Getting crumbs. You deserve more than crumbs of affection. Wait for the one who adores you. Okay? Getting hurt. All love comes with the risk of losing it. Don't be afraid to floss. Take a chance. Yeah, so some of you are, it says allow love to come with the risk. You're probably used to getting breadcrumbed or like crumbed in any relationship that you've had in your life. So it causes you to not allow, you know, love to come in truthfully, or you don't know it, you don't recognize it, excuse me, when it's there, but you're being called to take a chance. Getting crumbs and getting hurt is the reason why all love comes with the here, the airplane. All love comes with, it comes with the risk. It comes with the risk. So yeah, look, vulnerable right after that. You cannot experience true intimacy unless you open your heart and be yourself. Hard to get. You're missing opportunities by playing too hard to get. Give someone a chance. So you could be in a connection right now, whomever I'm speaking to, or and you're playing hard to get. You could be in a connection right now, whoever I'm speaking to, and you're being called to give this person a chance or open up a little bit more. I know you've been hurt, but all love comes with some sort of risk. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're not in a relationship and you're single, you're missing out on opportunities because you're playing hard to get and you need to open up. Be vulnerable, okay? Anxiety's getting the best of you. In the world we're living in right now, people aren't themselves. Look at this mask. Not being you, covering. You could like cover yourself a lot. Wear clothes that aren't fitted. I don't know, I'm just getting that. Stop trying to fix people. What you should be doing is living in your truth. Yeah, that's the message right there. I don't know why this kite picture here is giving me, I'm like a bird, I wanna fly away. I don't know where my home is. Y'all know that song? I forget her name. I'm hearing a song that kind of reminds me of chutney music, so it's reminding me of my grandfather. So my ancestors are definitely here. Some of you should start an altar. Give to your ancestors. Pay homage. If you're in tune, of course. Okay? Love's the answer if you're feeling unloved. I literally just seen that. Retreating. You fear of being hurt. Your fear of being hurt, excuse me, has made you retreat. It's time to get out and try again. And if you have, congratulations. Ground yourself. I'm looking at the leaves and everything right now on the trees. Even trees are living. You have to water them to grow, right? Water yourself. Pour into yourself. What else? 808. I think I'm done. That's the message. Let's see some love messages for you guys. 808 on the timer. Anything else for my collective? What's the advice? Y'all seen that? Love. Unconditional love, self-love, and wholeness, affection and attraction, selflessness. Your selflessness makes you attractive, and that will also draw an unconditional love for you. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Because it sounds like Hispanic music. It sounds like chutney rhythm, but it also sounds like it could be a French song. Some of you are of mixed ethnicity. This is the message. Love. Anything else? Advice. Excuse me. The advice is love, whatever that may mean to you. Your selflessness is attractive, like I said. Just practicing self-love and wholeness. Hammer, sabotage and rebuild. Persistent, working on it, repairing. Yeah, repair yourself. Rebuild. Stop. I mean, your thoughts are your thoughts and memories are your memories, but some of you could be having nostalgia thoughts about your past and looking at old photos. Phoenix, rise, because whoever this person was hiding their true feelings anyway, gaslighting you, okay? Yeah, girl with a snake. This could have been a twin flame from your past who's probably now fallen twin flame. Yeah, you've received clarity. Sword and rose. This rose doesn't give me because look at this rose and then look at this card. This rose is kind of dead. Revelations, honor and protection, determination. Have faith, love is coming, or love has already entered your life. You've already been struck by love, okay? Move forward and continue to heal yourself. Oh, last two messages. The butterfly and engagement ring. Evolving in growth, next phase, healing inner child, releasing the past, higher commitment, eternity, partnership, and union, completion. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. All the likes, all the shares, all the views. Yeah, I hope this resonated with some of you, with all of you. And if it didn't, learning, expansion, transcending, prepare for union, new phase. And when you do encounter this new person, you guys need to mirror each other. That's also going to help make your union stronger. But as I said, thank you all for watching. I hope this resonated. If not, catch me next time. Until then, bye. Happy Friday.